Hello guys, this is Anand from Quickstar, and today I'll be guiding you how to create a website through WordPress. WordPress is a very popular CMS, that's a content management system. Almost 26 or 27% of this world's websites are powered on WordPress. It's very popular, it's very easy, not even a single percent of coding is required for WordPress. So why do you need a website? Did you ever think about this? Yeah. If you wouldn't have, then you wouldn't have come to this video. Okay. There are two types of websites. One is a blog, and the second is just a website. A blog is just nothing else but just a website which allows you to give your opinions. That's also known as comments. Okay. And this in which people upload articles, write articles, they earn money. Blogs are mainly done to create it just to get money. And the second one, corporate websites. Corporate websites are those, if you own a website, so you need a website. If you own a business, then you will need a website to increase your customers, to influence more people into your business. So what are the things that we require to make a website? I'll tell you. The first one is a domain. A domain is nothing else but just, you see, it's www. Imagine www.google.com. So here, google.com is a domain. Otherwise, if you go for Facebook, so here facebook.com, just facebook.com, that name is a domain, not the whole website. Just the name facebook.com, that's a domain. Around billions of websites domains are being registered each day. So it's very difficult to get a desired domain. Like, see, if you own a technology related business, then you can give it a name like Lucky Technologies. So now if you go for Lucky Technologies, you may come to know that it's not available, most probably, because it's a popular name. Okay. And the second thing that we require is a web host. So what is a web host? A website normally contains images, videos, lots of content and all. This has to be stored somewhere in the internet. A web hosting service provider gives you the space. An average website needs around 3 to 6, average blog requires around 3 to 6 GB of space. So you have to purchase this 3 to 6 GB of data so that you can store your website, and people can access your website from anywhere in this world. So that is why we need a web host. Okay. And now we'll start with the process. So we have 3 steps in this video, and after watching this video you'll be thorough with creating a website through WordPress. It's very easy, hardly 20 to 30 minutes it requires. Once you watch this video, I am sure that you can create a beautiful website. I guarantee you that. Okay. So let's start. We have 3 steps in this video. The first step is to get a domain and a web host. Step 2 is to install WordPress, and the step 3 is to start designing and creating a website. Okay. So let's move on to step 1. So there are different varieties and different kinds of web hosting providers in the world. Okay. If you personally ask me my opinion on which web host to go for, I would recommend Bluehost and SiteGround only. Bluehost and SiteGround are one of the most popular web hosting service providers in this world. Okay. They have been started around in the 20th century, early 20th century. So they have millions of customers. It's been trusted by many millions of customers. Okay. So I suggest you only Bluehost and SiteGround. Okay. It's cheap, it's definitely worthy, and it makes your website fast and efficient. Okay. So first one, in this video I would teach you to buy a web hosting from Bluehost. Okay. So for this, what we have to do is we have to go to bluehost.com. I have an exclusive link. If you use this link, you will get a 20% discount. Okay. So that's www.bluehost.com slash track slash Anand ANANDASHOK 12. Sorry, this is a small spelling mistake. It's TRACK. Okay, once you go to this link, you'll get a home page of Bluehost. Okay, so I recommend that you click on Get Started Now. Bluehost has basically 3 plans. Okay, the first plan is the most basic one, that's called Basic. The second is the Plus one, and the third one is a Prime. Okay, there are a bit differences between these 3 plans. The first plan, Basic, it's cheap. Okay, it's very cheap. It's basically if you need to create one website. Okay, the second plan is Plus. In this, you don't have any limits. You can create as many websites as you want. There's no minimum, there's no limit on the data space. You can upload any kind of data, how much ever GB, TB, whatever it is, nothing matters here. Okay, so since you are a beginner, I would recommend you the Basic or the Plus plan. There's not big difference between the Plus and the Prime plan. The difference is just that in the Plus plan you have spam experts, and in the Prime plan you have extra things like domain privacy, site backup. That is not that necessary, because since yours is going to be a WordPress website, you'll be having lots of plugins for all this. Okay, so you don't have to worry about Prime. You can either go for Basic or Plus. Okay, so here I'll be showing you how to go for Basic. I click on Select. Okay, so now is a tough challenge. You have to choose your domain name, guys. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. Imagine yours is a blog in the niche of health. Okay, so you would go for healthy lifestyle 2017.com. Guys, you're lucky. This domain is available. Okay, that's why this page has come right now. So here you have to fill in all your details like name and all that. Okay, your email ID, everything is required. And now you have to choose your package. Okay, so since you're a beginner, I would recommend you only the 12-month package. So there are many extra things like domain privacy protection, site backup pro, search engine jumpstart, site log security. All these are not at all necessary. Since you are a beginner, I would recommend that you turn off, uncheck all the boxes. Okay, now it totals about $65.4. Okay, now you fill in your card details, expiry date, CVV code. Now you are registered for Bluehost web hosting plan. Okay, after filling in your payment details. Okay, now I am going to my Bluehost page, my login page. So we have finished step 1. Now we move on to step 2. I'm logging in now. I apologize for the slow internet speed. Okay, so this is my Bluehost cPanel. cPanel is nothing but the control panel. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you'll be having icon called, under the website category, you'll be having icon called Install WordPress. This is it. Okay, install WordPress. You'll have to click it and your WordPress will be installed, and you'll have to fill in your username, your password that you'll be setting up for your WordPress admin login. Okay, so the website that I have already prepared is live100years.com. Today we'll be designing this website, And guys, one more thing, if you need to go to your admin page, what you to start designing, creating, maintaining your website, what you have to do is, imagine you bought the domain called lifestyle, um, healthy lifestyle, yeah, right, healthy lifestyle 2017.com. This is the domain that you brought. Imagine you bought it. Okay, so now you have to, this is the main website. If you click on this link, you'll get the main website. Now you need to go to your admin page so that you can start editing it. For this, what we have to do is, you have to add a suffix to your website's link. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. It's a secret. Okay, so be careful. You have to type this /wp -admin. This is for all WordPress websites. You just have to add this suffix as slash after the link .com, .in, .net, whatever, /wp -admin. Okay, so since here I've taken the domain live100years.com, I go for live100years.com /wp -admin. See, a few seconds back I told you that you had to enter your username and password for your WordPress setting up. Okay, so you should type your password, and here I am typing my password. And my WordPress, this is called dashboard, admin dashboard. I call it admin dashboard. Okay, so if you go to live100years.com, this is the page that comes. Website coming soon. This is a default by Bluehost. To change this, okay, I'll tell you. First, we have to go to this admin page, and then this page will come to you. You have to click on I don't need help. Okay, now you see your website shows website coming soon. This page is used to test the proper operation. You have to remove this page. I'll tell you what to do. You click on, you see this, your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. Once you are ready to launch it, click here. I suggest that you click it right now itself. I click it, and now I refresh this page. See, I got a WordPress website now. This is a default WordPress theme. See, now I'll teach you how to create a website like this. Okay, so let's start with our program of starting. First of all, we'll have to install a theme for WordPress. For this, what you have to do is scroll, bring your cursor down to appearance, and then select theme. Just scroll down. This, just look at this theme here. It just sucks. How horrible it is. There's nothing new in this. Every website has this. See, you know, if you want your website visitors to stay for long, your website must be attractive. It must be very attractive. Then only people can stick to your website for long. Look at this. Look at the right sidebar. It's just horrible. Too horrible. We'll have to change it. Okay. So we'll select a new theme. Go to add new theme. Okay, Serif Lite. If you want to create a corporate website, I would recommend you this theme, Serif Lite. Now it's installed and now we have to activate it. Okay, so our theme has been activated. Now if you go to the home page and refresh it, you'll be displayed a new website. Now guys, look at it. It's an awesome theme, right? I too love it, guys. And I'll show you how to customize it completely. I just show you how advanced this website can get after installing this theme. Okay, you're going to customize. You have to change everything. Okay, so you go to front page sections, big title section. Okay, parallax effect, main content, see if you get main content title. If you change it, see if you make it live 100 years, so and if you save and publish it, look at the website now, guys. This is awesome. Actually, everything is so easy that you just have to, there's no coding in it. You just have to click on it. Like, see, go to widgets, front page sections, so many cases, see, clients area, about us, all that, you just have to type in your content and it'll get updated. See, now if you want your customized link for buying a web hosting at Bluehost, you can check down. I have uploaded it in the about the video. In about the video, I've uploaded the link to web hosting, to buying the web hosting of Bluehost and SiteGround. You can please check it out. You click it and buy it, and I would recommend only SiteGround and Bluehost. Thank you for watching this video. Do like it and subscribe. Thank you.